The SWD expressed confidence that they have enough funds for disaster response. This despite the consecutive storms battering parts of our country. Mobile journalist Julie Baisa with a report.
The Department of Social Welfare and Development assured the public that they are ready to provide family food packs and non-food relief items to affected local government units despite the 5 cyclones that consecutively hit the country.
All throughout the year, may naka-standby talaga kami na more than 1 million family food packs talaga yan at talaga nagamit natin dito sa sunod-sunod na mga bagyo na at pagbaha na ito. At ang bilin ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos po ay within 24 hours, within 24 hours na ma-clear yung mga sites na ito ay ating kailangang makapagbigay na tayo ng tulong sa ating mga kababayan.
So far, more than 1 billion pesos worth of humanitarian assistance have been provided for the victims of Typhoons Christine, Leon, Marce, Nika, and Ophel. Around 1.4 family food packs have also been distributed. The DSWD also assured that the country's warehouses are disaster-proof to ensure the continuous service and that the relief items are safe and protected.
Ang ating family food pack po ng DSWD ay good for a family of 5. That's good for 3 to 5 days. Yung stock na binibigay natin doon. At kung kakailanganin pa ng another stock, ay tayo ito'y namimigay ulit para sa kasunod na linggo naman.
Aside from relief items, the DSWD also extends cash assistance for those whose houses were partially or totally damaged.
Nagbibigay din tayo ng cash assistance dito sa mga apektado ng bagyo sa pamamagitan ng ating AICS or Assistance to Individuals in Crisis Situation. Yan po yung for immediate relief. Meron din tayo for early recovery partner na sa disaster response at yung binibigyan natin sila ng emergency cash transfer na pantulong sa kanila para pagpapatayo ulit ng kanilang mga bahay.
Undersecretary Punay also expressed confidence that the agency would have enough funds for disaster response.
May natira pa po tayo so far na 100 million na standby funds. At meron tayong inaantay partner. Apart from that 100 million standby, may paparating po na 875 million. So we're expecting it within the week or next week. Makukuha natin yung pondo na yan para makatulong sa pag-prepare naman sa mga paparating pang bagyo.
Based on DSWD's data, in total, more than 2.7 million families have been affected by the 5 tropical cyclones. Mobile Journal Julie Baiza, We Are One News.
Dami talaga nilang nagastos. Ulitin ko lang, total 1 billion na gastos nila. Pero they're waiting for the DBM to release 875 million pa para maitulong dito kasi parami yung mga affected families natin na sunod-sunod din yung pagpasok ng bagyo sa ating bansa.
Yeah, in the last 2 months, we're approaching 3 or 4 storms. And ang mistake lang natin na kahit si PBBM, sinabi naman niya yun, yung sa unang bagyo, hindi man in-expect na may sunod-sunod. So, nag-start mag-recover, mag-rebuild ng konti. Yung pala, nung tinamaan ulit, yung mga ginawa, nasira ulit. Kaya sabi ni PBBM, let's just focus first on making sure everyone's safe in the respective evacuation centers. And if it is clear already that wala nang tatamang bagyo in that certain area na may repeat, then maybe we can start rebuilding already. And this time around, yung permanent housing na sustainable away from the storm.
Away from the storm. So yun nga yung natin dito kasi yung mga kababayan natin nakaka-experience na daw ng typhoon fatigue. Hindi nila alam. Yung iba, babalik pa ba kami sa bahay namin? May babalikan pa ba kami? Or magsistay kami ng matagal dito sa evacuation
We cannot blame naman Pag-asa for typhoon fatigue. They're just, predicting a storm is, sabi nga nila, it's like predicting a woman's attitude, which is very fickle-minded. So kaya nga sabi nila, when the storm changes, it changes every 15, 30, 45 minutes to 2 hours. So every time may change, nagbibigay sila ng update, di ba? So ang point natin is sometimes mapipredict mo yung bagyo, signal number 2, wala naman daw pala hangin, wala naman ulan. You have to remember, kasi may certain area sa northern area na ang tumama yung eye of the storm. Pag eye of the storm po ang tumama sa inyo, kahit signal number 4 pa yan, napaka-clear ng hangin po. Walang bagyo, walang hangin, mararamdaman, walang ulan.